Hey folks, I'm Taj. Today I'm going to be showing you how AI customer support chatbot will be adding a lot of value to your e-commerce store. So let's get started. Here, let's assume there is a customer who is on your website. Okay, let me draw a customer over here and he is on your website and he wants to purchase an X product. Okay, some product. So before purchasing this product, this customer might be having a list of questions, list of queries related to product, maybe related to shipping, and maybe related to some written policies and all. So if these questions are answered instantly, if he gets the answers for these questions right away, you might have added the answers in some FAQs, some policy page, but that will take time. That will take time for the customer to go and view. But if the customer gets the answer instantly right in front of him, then he is more likely to purchase this product, right? If these questions are answered, this product will be more likely get purchased, and with this his abundant cart rate will go down and sales will increase. So e-commerce customer support chatbot will help answering these questions, right? So let's take another example. Let's assume if customer already has purchased the product. Customer already has purchased the product, but for some weird reason product might be damaged. Okay, product might be damaged, product is not in a condition which he can accept, or maybe he might receive the wrong product. So in this scenario he wants an instant support. If he if he doesn't get that instant support, he might be pissed off. He has given you the money and he didn't get that instant support, and he might be pissed off. Or for some reason he might not receive the product and is looking for the product. He wants to track the product, where is my order. So in these scenarios also, if you have a customer support chatbot, through that chatbot he will get instant answers, and customer will be less frustrated and more likely more likely to purchase next time. Okay, so with this his trust will also increase on your website, right? So this is how customer support chatbot adds value to your e-commerce store. So now let's understand how this AI chatbots work. So basically, in chatbots there are two types. One is programmatic chatbot, where AI is not integrated. That chatbot is basically programmed to answer certain answers for the certain questions. So that is not an intelligent chatbot. It's just a chatbot, just have some conditions, like if this question is asked, this is the answer. That's like not even a human like feel. You will not get a human like feel. But in AI customer support chatbot, there will be an LLM sitting behind the box. Okay, so let me grab the pencil. Yes, so there will be an LLM, a large language model will be sitting behind the box, like a brain, will be answering all these questions and also giving this details on the screen. So what basically happens when a user asks a question? Okay, when a user asks a question, this question is sent to LLM. Okay, an agent which will be sitting behind the box, and this agent will have access to your products, all your products, list of all your products, and this agent will be having access to all your policies, all your store policies, shipping policies, written policies. Basically, this agent will be given all the knowledge of your store. So now this agent knows everything. So whenever a user asks a question like this, I'm looking for a new dress for a summer wedding. So this agent will go ahead, check your product list, check your inventory, and answers these questions. In the same way, if a user asks, where is my order? So it will check the user's profile, what all orders he has placed, and it will get the results and it will showcase it directly over here. Whether the order is on the way, is it delivered already, or is it is in still in transit, something like that. So this is how this AI customer support chatbot works. And also, and great advantage of this chatbot is this is not just a normal chatbot, this is a conversational AI. Conversational AI means the response from the chatbot is more like a human answered. Okay, it feels more like a human. It doesn't feel like a robotic or like programmatic chatbot. So more it feels like a human, the greater the customer experience is. So as we discussed, fast support is equals to high revenue, because as I already told, user will get his questions answered, and the cart abandon rate will go down and sales will increase, because the only friction for cart abandon is user might be having some questions related to product, or some questions related to your shipping policy, some questions related to your return policies, all those things. This gets better for you if you are scaling. So if you are scaling your business, you cannot hire more humans, right? You need someone like AI like this to take care of this type of repetitive tasks. So as you scale, hiring humans hiring humans will get costlier, and they are not reliable. At the end of the day, humans get tired, and they are not reliable when it comes to the repetitive task, and efforting them is like very costly. So the best thing is just have an AI to take care of this repetitive tasks. So let's see an example how this works. Basically, how track my orders, how product recommendations, and how any store related policies work. We will also build a chatbot right now and also integrate in the Shopify. So for building the chatbots, you will come to this website called VoiceFlow. So to this first website, VoiceFlow, build chat and voice agents without code. And you will go to this website. You will sign up. After signing up, you will get a 7 days free trial. So you will take that. It will automatically get started those 7 days free trial. And once you are here, you can either prompt it over here. So what type of customer support chatbot you want, or else you can completely start off from the scratch by going to this project and create a new project. So I have created one project. So this is that project, customer support chatbot, which will handle two types of queries. One is order related query and one is product related query. So first we will just see, I will just show you a walkthrough of how this works. So whenever a user start chat with this chatbot, so basically it will ask whether the user query is related to a product related query. It checks whether the user query is related to product related query or any type of support related query like order, where is my order, track my order, return related queries and all. So once it identifies the user intention, it will it will then navigate it to the next nodes. Here we have two types of nodes: support clarified, product clarified, and once that is clarified, it goes to the support query detail collector. So what this node does, this node basically collect the details of the user. Basically, user has asked for where is my order. So for that, to search that also, we need order ID and email ID with which the user has placed the order. So those details are collected over here. Once those details are collected, this is now you can see all details are collected. It is mapping to this support query resolver. So here in this support query resolver, we have given one Shopify function. What this function has is basically this function calls an API of Shopify to fetch the order details with that particular order ID and email. So those data get fetched over here, and we will get the reply. In the same way, if the flow goes to the product related query, so here you can see product related query, if that flow catches, Then it will go to the product query detail collector, where this particular node asks user what type of product it wants, user wants, or the customer wants. In this scenario, customer. So maybe if I'm asking any type of jackets, so it will ask, okay, size. It will ask about the size details. It will ask about the gender details. It will ask about the uh, color of the jacket that customer is looking for, and if the customer specifically mention one product and asks with which material is this product made, or what material is used for the in this product, those type of details also this node will collect, and it will go to this product query resolver node. So in this node we have Shopify MCP server setup. So Shopify provides a MCP server, basically a storefront MCP server. So that server, with the help of that server, an AI agent will be able to access all the store data which we basically see when we navigate to any store. For example, I will open my store. So this is my store. So storefront API basically can access all these products and all the product related details also. As you can see here, there are product details over here. So storefront MCP server can access these data, show and also cart related data, what all items are added in the cart, all those things. With that server we can fetch. So we're gonna use that server, and this is our Shopify store. So we're gonna try to fetch these details directly through the chatbot based on the user query. So user might ask any type of question, like I want some products for my for this winter season. A user might ask, I want heels collection, anything. So this AI agent will be capable of fetching any of these products. So let me just navigate back to here, and let's just do a testing. Let me start this agent. So as you can see, this is how the chatbot will open in your website as well. So in the later on the video, we will also be integrating this chatbot inside the Shopify store. So hello, I'm there to help you with any questions you might have, product inquiries or support matters. So I will be asking a support related question. I will be asking, where is my order? First, let's go with this support related query. So here, now it is asking me to provide order number as well as email. So let me provide the order number. Order number is hash 1003. Let me first show you the Shopify dashboard so that you can see which order it is going to fetch. So this is the order which I have placed with a particular email. So the order ID is hash 01003. Okay. So it need to fetch this exact order. Sleeves, some dress. Okay. So let's go back. Let me give that order ID and also give the email with which I have placed the order. Yep. So let me send that. So it is looking up for order information now. So basically we have configured one tool, get Shopify orders. The AI agent will will use that tool and get the order details. Here we go. We got the order details. We got that exact. Where is that? So as you can see, the order item is the sleeves dress, which we exactly saw here. We will go back to Shopify. Here we go. And also all the order details, we got it. That's how it will use the tool and get the details. Now we will ask, now let's ask about product related queries. So I want to search for some jackets. Okay. So get me some jackets. So it is asking me some more details to find the exact product, what type of jacket. So I'm looking for casual jacket, and what size, medium, and any preferred style, show all. So any budget range also show all. Any specific occasion, outdoor. So let's see. So now it is searching through our uh, Shopify MCP server and get the exact product from our product from our store. So here we go. We got the list of products. It found few products. So we can see the product directly over here, as you can see. So let me ask some more details about this zipper jacket. Let me ask what is the material of zipper jacket. Let me see. So it got the material details as well, 100% polyester. So these type of queries customers might have while purchasing the product. So these type of queries definitely in the product page might be mentioned, but having a chatbot like this will make it smoother. Like customer suddenly might remember during the checkout. Customer might be in a landing page or normal in a product list page. He might be looking for some details like this. So this is how the AI customer chatbot works. Now let's try to integrate this in our Shopify store and see how it works there. So this is our store. Let me just open. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna integrate that customer support chatbot right over here. So to integrate this, first you need to publish your workflow in the voice flow. So first we will go to the voice flow and we will click on publish. So you need to do the publish over here. So let me just click on publish. So once this is published, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this section, interfaces. Then there will be a small snippet of JavaScript, which we're gonna copy paste in our Shopify theme code. So in that way, our Shopify store will be able to render this chatbot right inside the store. So we will go to the interface. So as you can see in the interface, you can see the installation block over here. Here we can see the script. So before that, we can also do some modification to our chatbot. So let's do some modification and then we will proceed. We can add our logo as well over here. So we currently don't have anything to add. Okay, fine. Let me add this logo of one brand called Tyra. So let me add this logo for the demonstration purpose. And here we also go here and add that logo. You can see the logo got changed and we will name it as, okay, we are good with this. Then let's go. Let's copy this code snippet over here and let's head to our Shopify store. Here we go. And in here in the Shopify store, you need to come to online store. Then here you need to click on edit code. So after that, the theme code will be opened over here. So basically we need to find something called as theme.liquid. For that, either we can go directly to the layouts and here we will find the theme.liquid, or if you are finding difficulty to find it, you can find it from here, theme.liquid. So in the theme.liquid, you will just scroll down, come to this closing tag of this body tag. Just before that tag, we will paste our snippet and we're gonna save it. So let's go to our Shopify store. Yes, now it's reflecting. As you can see here, our chatbot got added. Let me open this chatbot. Let me just a little bit minimize my browser so that it's visible to you. Here we go. As you can see on the left side, we can see our website, our Shopify store. So we will open this chatbot. Let me just click on this new chat. So here we go. The same chatbot is opened over here as well. Product information, order and shipping support, return and account help, browse products. So first of all, we will just order and shipping support. So it should ask me for the order ID and email. So let me give my order number. It's also asking me what specific issue you are experiencing. I just want to track. So I will just give my order. I will also give my email with which I have placed my order. And I will just say track. I want to track my order. So it is looking up for the order details right now. So let's see. So it got my order details. So currently my order is current status. Your order is currently being processed and not yet shipped. So this is my current order status. So this is how this chatbot works for customer support, and we have already which material is this product made of. So we should get the material details. So here we go. We got 80% polyester, 14% viscose. So we can also set up a return flow where when a customer is not satisfied with the product, if they want to return, they can come to the chatbot and ask for the return. The chatbot will go through the series of step confirming is that product we can by validating is that valid return or not, by asking customer some more questions regarding what was the issue. Is it a package related issue, or did he receive a wrong product? So in that way we can create a one more flow over here. So that's how the chatbots work. That so if you want me to build you a chatbot for your store, so there is a link in my bio. You can reach out me from there. So thank you.